How to be a dangerously powerful man. Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you guys are doing great. Today's topic of our video is how to become a powerful man. Everyone desires to be powerful enough so that they can control the world. It is the desire of almost every fourth individual to control people. Controlling people is one of the symptoms of narcissism. But there is a healthy narcissism as well. So you don't have to worry about it. Powerful people don't become powerful by chance. They are not born leaders, instead they work hard and adopt those attributes so that they can be distinguished from the rest of the people. I will give you some tips to become powerful so that you can leave a mark of impression on people. Let's get straight into it without wasting much time. They never speak too much. Most of the influential people do not speak much. They tend to keep themselves as quiet as possible. Because the more you speak, the more you betray yourself. The habit of speaking more than usual is not good and can lead you to become trapped in your own words. So in a world full of talkative people, try to remain silent and observant, so that you can observe more and understand things more clearly. Being silent is the sign of intelligence. You must have observed that those people who speak less and listen more are relatively more intelligent and sensible. They speak concisely and precisely. And it is thought that the people who speak more are less likely to influence people's minds compared to people who remain quiet. Speaking less is a sign of authority, and it makes your impression of being an authority. They think several moves ahead. They do not let themselves stick to one plan. Instead, they make more than one plan so that they can save their days whenever there is a problem. They always have their backup plans to avoid catastrophe. Such people become even ready to sacrifice their comfort and pleasure in order to gain the future comfort. They know beforehand that they are going to face that particular hardship, but still they jump into it. In order to gain a higher reward. In order to gain that future joy and success, they put their happiness at risk and do hard work. In this way they become successful and distinguished from others. Only some people put their enjoyment at stake to enjoy bigger things. They distinguish themselves. They tend to distinguish themselves from other people. They always stand out. They always stand by their point so that they can be recognized by the world. If you spend your life by going with the flow, then you won't be able to differentiate yourself from other people. Just do more than the common people. Don't let yourself stay behind in any area of life. Because stars are not visible when the sun is out there shining at its fullest. Such people are like this and are more confident to let themselves stand out. Concluding my whole discussion, I must say that a person is not born powerful. Every person's specific attributes and traits make him powerful enough to rule out the world. That is all for today. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Bye bye.